Hi guys, it's Alfred back again with another um hopefully fast trade on the Nadex platform. Let me show you what I got into here. I got a Euro USD at 1.1218 and I actually feel this is a working order because the market was just everywhere. It was volatile. And now that I'm in, I'm going to do another working order. Uh, You can see I got in selling one at 59.75. That means that I have to sell this back into the market at a profit. I think I'm going to go for, I think I want to go for 80. I'm usually almost always, if I'm going to try and get in and scalp out, I'm usually almost always going to try for, uh, I like to at least try for 30% of what I put down. But again, I'm not going to try and stay to the end. I'm going to look to just get in and out with a little scalp. Paid a little more than I wanted to for this one, but I think the position is better. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in at 80, and we'll take a quick glimpse at the charts. Okay, there you see I've got a sell order for my one contract at 80. Okay, here guys, we've got a little push down this morning. I don't know what's happening there. Wasn't here to see it. And this area here, I got my little box here to mark off the area of the binary. And you see we had another push down into that area and then a push even below that area. And that's about where I got in at on that low strike of 1.1218. So what I'm looking for again, when we were pushing into that area, you see we were getting into that lower level on the crosswalk. So what I'm looking for is at some point before this box is over to get to a place where I can sell this contract with profit. I'm trading it because on Nadex one of the good things is the contracts are tradable, and I've got an hour and 16 minutes to see some bullish sentiment in the market, to see us move off of those lows on my crosswalk that I use sometimes to time these and get back up there. We're below value area low, that's true, but as we pinch below value area low, we seem to be, well, earlier on the open, it looked like we bounced, and I'm looking at the opportunity to bounce again. I'm going to pause right here, guys, and if it looks like they're getting close to filling my order, or if this contract has to remain to the end, I'll come back at the last few minutes of the contract. Clock's ticking, and I've added some rather spooky, dramatic music to remind us all of why it's usually not a good idea to hold these bets until the very end on Nadex. But wait, there's my 80, and it's starting to show some life. Could it be? Will my 80 move up and get filled? Could it be? Is there really a sucker born every day? Yes! Let's look at the bet on the chart right fast. Um, let's talk about what happened. This line here represents my strike. And after I got in, you can see they pushed well below my strike. 1.12, something like 14. And it took about another, maybe a half hour, and they got back up right at my strike, and we started just consolidating there. And you saw that super, super tight bit that I was able to scalp out of at the $80 mark because its theta is running out, and that's time. There's not much time left in the bet, and when that bet flew into the money, like 1.12185, that wasn't really flying. It was like maybe a half a pip in the money. Somebody picked up that order that I had to sell at 80. Whether or not that won or not, I don't know. I was scalping. I was going to just try to manage the exit. But again, it's even though I've been doing this a while, it's very difficult to manage your exit. You really just don't want to be where you saw me in this video at that last minute sitting there just jockeying for a position if when you put the trade on your intention was to scalp. So that was a really tight trade, and just decided to tape it all the way through for you guys and show you some of the price action and how these things go down. I'll see you guys on the next video. Once again, this is Alfred from BinaryOptionsTutor.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others.